In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in ClipChamp. Whether you're cleaning up a rough start, chopping silence at the end, or removing a hiccup in the middle, I'll guide you from import to export. First, open ClipChamp in your browser or desktop app and sign in. From the home screen, either create a new video or open an existing project you want to edit. Starting fresh is great for a single clip, while opening a project keeps your assets and edits intact. Next, bring in the footage you want to trim. Click Import Media, then select your video file from your device or cloud storage. After it appears in your media library, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen so you can start working directly with the clip. To trim the beginning or end, click the clip on the timeline to select it. Move your cursor to the left or right edge until the trim handle appears, then click and drag. Dragging the left edge trims the start. Dragging the right edge trims the end. Watch the time ruler as you drag to keep the exact moment you want. If fine adjustments feel tricky, zoom in on the timeline and use short, controlled drags. Trimming is non-destructive. You're just hiding portions of the clip, and you can always pull the edge back out if you trim too much. Hit play in the preview to review your changes. If the beginning still feels too long or the ending cuts off too soon, pause and adjust the edges again until it flows naturally. If you need to remove a section in the middle, place the playhead where the unwanted part starts, then click the split tool, the scissors icon. Move the playhead to where the section ends and click split again. Select the middle piece you don't need and press delete. The cut updates immediately and you can preview to confirm the transition feels clean. When you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Click Export at the top, choose your quality. 1080p is a great all-purpose choice, and let ClipChamp process the file. When the export finishes, download your trimmed video to your device. And that's it. You've imported, trimmed, previewed, and exported a clean cut in ClipChamp. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.